Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's product peek, we're having a look at the Perrin Driveshaft lockdown for your 2008 to present Subaru WRX and STI. Ooh, one size fits most? Nice. That's right, gang, we're back again with another interesting product from Perrin, which is the Driveshaft lockdown that's designed to work with your factory two-piece driveshaft. Before we get to what it does, let's first take a look at what's inside the box. Of course, you'll find your lockdown, which is 2 pieces, hardware and lubrication packet, as well as your Perrin stickers and installation QR code. Pretty nifty. Now on to what it does. Most modern rear-wheel and all-wheel drive cars are equipped with a 2-piece driveshaft. In the middle of this driveshaft, you'll find a carrier bushing. While this isn't ideal for race cars, this carrier bushing does provide a nice cushion between your gearbox and rear differential that otherwise may cause some unwanted noise, vibration, or both. Now, if you're anything like me, you love doing hot boy stuff with your hot boy friends, and that means getting all the horsepower you have to transfer to the ground instead of being absorbed by rubber bushings. This product is essentially a carrier that, once installed, helps minimize the amount of deflection the factory driveshaft can see, helping to do the job that previously required upgrading to a 1-piece driveshaft. Installation is super easy if you can gain access to the underside of the vehicle. Plus, if you have any questions, you can always reference the QR code provided by Perrin inside the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick peek of the Perrin Driveshaft lockdown for your 2008 to present WRX and STI. For thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.